Hi, friends. Today we are going to talk about how we can find some field information related with business partner and vendor master. So, this is a transaction code CVI underscore check underscore VISI underscore vent. So these basically tells you why a particular field needs to be enabled or it's disabled in a particular vendor record. Okay, and what's the reason? So suppose I want to find out in LFB1 that is the recon account. Okay, so and here I will just put a vendor number, okay, supplier number, and I'll execute. From here it will tell me, so basically it will tell you what module it falls into. So you can see its company code, data, recon account, supplier field status according to accounting group is required. So recon account is required. Okay, now suppose I want to put something different. Okay, so I'll put LFM1 and I'll put Z wells. Okay, so which will be probably related with the payment method. Okay, and I'll execute, and if I see the table and field do not exist, so because I made a mistake. Okay, so probably it would be ZSCHL, and if I put this exist, it doesn't exist. So now what I'll do is here I'll put suppose purchasing group, I'll put purchasing organization, I'll put EKORG, and I'll execute, and here the table name and field do not exist. So in this case, if you see that this is related with uh, the LFM1 fields are not there. So now I will just do something with LFBK, and I will probably use BANKN. Okay, and I'll execute this, and here you see is optional. So here you can see the combined supplier field status is optional. So from here you can easily find out what are the different fields which are optional, which is mandatory, and all those things. So this is very important in processing. Okay, so let's try another one. Let me put LFA1, and I put probably name 3. Okay, so if I see name 3, so instead of going to the so here I see name 3 is here, you can see the combined is optional. So if I put name 1, which will be probably mandatory, if I go execute here, you see this for the proper field is required. So the name 1 is always required. The next one we can also try is suppose internet address. Okay, LFB1, I want to see whether the internet address, what is the status of it. So if I go here execute, here you can see combine is optional. So internet address is optional, it's not a mandatory field. Another thing for LFA1, we can see another thing that can be seen is suppose tax. So I will just put TXGCD. I don't remember this. Might be okay. So this is optional. This is tax jurisdiction. So in this way, you can easily find out which particular field is optional, mandatory, or it's not there. Okay. So this is very helpful in the S4 HANA world.